And so what we're going to do is we're going to walk through another set of exercises and set up some custom sheets, a title block, and we'll even cover the plan profile sheets and the cross-section sheets. What we're going to do in this series of tasks is actually build out an entire project or entire plan set using the advanced drafting functionality. So to get started, if you haven't done so already, download the data set below this video and then open up the Pulse and Bypass project. Then what we're going to do is we are going to go to the drafting tab and we will begin by creating a plan set. We're going to click on the create plan set command and we're going to give the plan set a name. We'll just call it the same thing. We'll call it Pulse and Bypass, and then we will click OK. Next, we'll be prompted to create a sheet set name. So the first sheet set that we're going to create is we're going to create what we're going to call right-of-way acquisitions. So we'll enter in the name. Then we will choose the type of sheet set, which is going to be a custom sheet set. The paper size that we're going to use is we're going to plot these to an architectural D size 24 by 36. We want them to be landscaped. And then in this blank box down here, we're going to create the sheets for this plan set. And we're going to start with a cover sheet. We're then going to create another one called overall site plan. So you can have as many of these as you want. We're going to create another one called parcel XXX, which we'll rename later. And then we'll just create another one called details. So again, you can create the ones that you know that you're going to need. And when we click OK to this, what's going to happen is over in the Project Explorer, we've got our plan set, our Pulse and Bypass plan set, and then we have our right-of-way acquisitions, which is our sheet set, and then we have each individual sheet that we're going to go and build the title block for. Now we're going to build the title block in the parent folder called Pulse and Bypass. That way when we create the other sheets, it's going to use the title block that we set up for the project throughout all the sheets in our plan sets and our sheet sets.